Okay, let's look at seed habit in pteridophytes. Okay, before I start, I just want to request girls, don't just share our videos to your friends and all, no, from other colleges. It's not good. No, not just me, but other teachers also. No, it has to be, it, you have paid for the class, so you should get, okay? And it is also unfair, no, for us giving all the work and sharing to others, okay? So don't do it, not just to me, but to other teachers also, okay? Okay, let's look at the seed habit in pteridophytes. So what is a seed? No, you have to start first with that. What is a seed? A seed is, it is a ripened or fertilized ovule. Okay. Once the ovule has been fertilized, it will become a seed. Okay. As soon as it starts from embryo, it's a seed. Okay. Or when the ovule is ripe, it becomes a seed. Okay. So a seed is a ripened or fertilized ovule. Very easy, no? Then a seed may be defined as an integumented, indehiscent megasporangium. Okay, so megasporangium is the female part, no? Right. Then just try to remember your flower, no? This, suppose this is the ovule, okay, stigma. Aren't these the integuments? Right. If this is the flower, this is the calyx. Just think. So these are the integuments, right? When we used to draw your parts of the flower, no? These are the calyx, this is the corolla, no? Used to draw these integuments, right? So isn't this entire female, isn't the entire female part inside these integuments? Okay. So obviously, and a seed means it's not a fruit, right? A fruit will be dehiscent, means it has already been removed from the plant body. So it is an integumented and indehiscent megasporangium. Megasporangium because it is a female. So I have described to you, so I think it should be clear, how to define it. Integumented, indehiscent megasporangium. Okay. So then the seed provides parental care to the land plants. Okay, the seed protects, it gives the parental care. All right. Then let's look at the origin of the seed habit. Now there are, again, Kristen Stewart, she rocks really well. So Stewart and Rothwell in 1993, they also gave the theory for the seed habit. They said that the seed habit originates like this, in these ways. Okay. The first one is degeneration of 3 megaspores and formation of a single functional megaspore in the megasporangium. So remember meiosis, no? If this one undergoes meiosis, you should get 4, no? Right, and these are all haploid, N, 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 N. These are all haploid, right? Then out of here, these three, they will degenerate, okay? And they will degenerate, and only one will be the functional megaspore. Why? Because there is not enough, there is not enough food to, give full care and full food to the 4 embryos. Having one child, one embryo is easier than having twins or triplets or quadruplets, no? So these 3 will degenerate and only one will be functional. Okay. So if you learned this already in 12. Okay. Then the second one is retention of the functional megaspore in the megasporangium until embryo development. Okay. So that functional megaspore will be protected inside the megasporangium until the embryo is fully developed. Okay, it will not be released. Just like the male, the antherozoids are released immediately, no? But here, the female, they will be retained. Okay, it's not like the male. Immediately, they will just release, and it depends on the nature, no? Then, the third one is formation of the endosporic gametophyte, means the protected gametophyte. Okay. Then elaboration of the apical part of the nucellus to receive pollen, that is a micropyle, no? Remember your style, no? This is the style, right? It will belong so that when these pollen, they land here, that pollen tube can come and reach the ova, okay? So, elaboration of the apical part, okay? Elaboration of this part, no? The top part of the nucellus. Okay, you just have to remember the plant parts, no? Then formation of integument. Okay, so just remember this is the style. This is the suppose this is the plant, no? This is the corolla. This is the calyx. So here are the integuments, no? Integuments and nucellar region. Okay, so you just look at the part, the TS of a flower, you will understand. Then formation of pollen tube. Okay, so it's just your parts of a plant, no? You have your degeneration of 3, then only one will be remaining a functional, no, it will be retained. Then inside, no, endosporic, then nucellus will receive pollen, then they will be forming an integument, the covering of the seed, and then it will form the pollen tube. Okay, so these are the steps. Now let's look at how the evolution of integument comes into play. We'll stop it here so that I can upload it.